Hey, so let's take a look at some of the characteristics of modernism here. So once again, it's a reaction to the previous movement. We've gone from subject, object, subject, object, subject again here now. So we're moving away from objectivity of realism and we're focusing on more subjective, individualist ideas. So you're going to see some things that are similar to Romanticism, but it's a little bit different because there's more experimentation and more diversified expressions of form with metaphors and different literary devices. So we're going to take a look at this in chunks, like I said. But in general, we have a section here that's particularly on poetry because there is more of an interest in poetry. There's more experimentalism and abstract expression, artistic expression, metaphors, the implicit meaning, etc., kind of exploring the means as we go through a lot of these existentialist ideas. So on the European front, the fin de siècle development of Western thought took down the tradition. So, I mean, I might have mentioned this before, but Freud, Marx, Einstein, or Freud, Darwin, Einstein, Marx, and Nietzsche. Freud with the unconscious, Darwin with the origin of the species, Einstein, the theory of relativity, Marx on his ideas of communism and Marxism, and Nietzsche with his whole Doppelgang, or the God is dead type idea, existential writing. All of these took down tradition, the traditional ways of thinking in the West, and influenced American writing also. And this set in motion new ways of seeing the world and writing about it, and a lot of these things we'll explore. So the era of modernism isn't the same for all writers at this time because some are categorized differently, and not all of the writers share the same literary characteristics. So we're kind of like moving into modernism, but we're making a big expansion like this, and we're going to see like, oh, well, this isn't our modernist writer because she doesn't share the same characteristics as this one, or these two are the same. So there's a lot of difference of what's going on here. And then another important thing to remember here, that not all the writers are represented. We're going to see a lot of writers here, but not all of them are covered. So just remember, please, to supplement this with other things in your studies for the essay.